It's been almost 5 months, and in those 5 months, have I been profitable or not? I'll tell you right now, I haven't. I haven't been profitable. So that's about it about this video. So you can click away with your short-term attention span and move on to the watching cats and dogs and all the other videos if you want to. But if you like to stick around and actually see what my struggles are in trading, then watch until the end of this video. I'm not here to sell any courses, any coaching, anything like that. This is absolutely just basically for myself, mainly just so I can see in a year time, in the future, I can have a look backwards and see, all right, this is how I was struggling a year ago or whatever the time it's gonna be until I become profitable. So let's open my screen. You can see here that in April, May, this is how much I basically lost. This says how much I invested, but let's just look at the losses. I also made some profits, but obviously then I lost it. June 283, July 500, August 296. So basically I'm just losing money at this moment. Why, if you ask me, I am investing only small amounts. The reason being I'm trading with 500 leverage. Now for all of those you which gonna be now going all crazy and being thinking, oh my god, why is he trading with 1 to 500? It's very simple. It doesn't really matter what leverage you're trading as long as you maintain a risk. So I can trade with 1 to 500, but if I'm only risking $100 or $50 or $200, whatever it might be, which you, by the way, can calculate. If, for those who don't know, in Forex, you can just calculate your position, which if you know trading, you know that. If you don't know trading, then something new for you. You calculate your position size and you calculate how much you're gonna risk, and that's how much you risk. So you don't really need big amount of money to get into the trading. You just need a couple $100 to create an account. So this is what I'm trading with, and the way I'm trading at the moment, and I think I will be trading for a very long time, is basically just a support and resistance. Now a lot of you thinking like, oh, is that it? Maybe this is why you're not profitable. After me looking all of those videos, all these gurus on internet, which they basically tell you that you have to use all these sort of indicators and the charts looks all fancy. I don't even know where to get all this fanciness. Like, my chart is basic copy of Nick Sean. If you know Nick Sean, the Nick Sean FX, find him on YouTube, learn from him. That's where I'm learning from my strategies. I even copy his what is it called? Chart. The colors, everything. Why? Because it's simple. And trading should be simple. You should not be overthinking of some Fibonacci levels and all the other stuff. If you know what I mean, you can get into a rabbit hole and just keep exploring new techniques, new strategies. By the end of the day, all really matters is where the price is gonna go. It's gonna go up or down. So support and resistance seems to be work the best. You can see here that in August I lost 296, but basically I put this money in July, in middle of July, and I had it almost until end of August. So basically I was always around break even until there was news and hit the stop loss, which was pretty big, and I lost the account because of the news. But again, it was my fault. So in trading, it's always your fault. So support resistance. I used to trade last month. I used to trade 1 hour chart, and I realized that 1 hour charts are very, very floppy. You know, like when you get the news, this fucking spike up, and 1 hour time frame is not really the best. So I'm gonna focus on 4 hour and daily, because this seems to be more calm and more predictable in terms of where the price is actually gonna go. So I already draw for the next week some support and resistance on 4 hour and daily charts. This is basically what I do. You can see here. So this is 4 hour, or is it even daily? This is daily support. I'm gonna wait for the price to go a little bit deeper, or maybe somewhere around here, probably again, and I'm just gonna buy, and that's it. And I'm gonna set up my position. I'm gonna calculate my position, whatever I wanna lose, or I'm ready to lose. I'm gonna drag the stop loss around here and profit target 1-to-1. Now, why 1-to-1? Because it's the most predictable. But anyway, yeah, my trading journey hasn't been the best, to be honest, yet. You can see I'm just losing money at the moment. Last month was my really break even, sort of, almost, I can say. I don't know, whatever you might call it, was a loss. I call it break even. Eventually I lost it, so still, But considering where I started in April, where I didn't even know how to calculate position, I didn't even know how to properly draw support and resistance, to now where I know all the technicals and everything. All I need to just master now is emotions and really get the gist of it and the feeling for it. When to close early in terms of if you're losing or if you're winning, where the price gonna go. So that's really it. I believe I'm very, very close to be a profitable trader. You can call me a trader. I don't know, I don't like to call myself a trader yet because I'm not profitable. But when I'm gonna be profitable, I still don't like to call myself a profitable trader. Why? I don't know, I'm just a guy who's making money. All I wanna do is just to make money so I can provide for myself and hopefully for my family and have a good life. Money is not everything, but it's rank up there right with oxygen. So if you don't have money, you're screwed. I'd rather cry under the bridge with $1 million in my pocket than broke under the bridge. Put it that way. So this video is mainly for me, and if you enjoy this video to watching, then you can hit the subscribe. Basically, it's been just meaningless, pointless video for you to watch, and a little update for you how I'm going, because all I can see on internet, on YouTube, all these gurus tells you all these good days, and they just, I'm always winning and always making profit. But bro, where are those days? Where are those days where you're losing, where you have a losing streaks? Every single person, every single trader's got a losing streaks, and most traders lose money than they win. So where are those losing days, brother? And all these millionaires, gurus as well, it's very questionable where they really got the money. Do they really got the money from trading, or do they get the money from you paying for the subscriptions or courses or whatever it might be? There's not very many people you can trust online in terms of trading. Most people, almost traders, are just a good spokesperson. They're just a good salesman, and they sell you all these courses and subscriptions and etc. Not many real traders are on the internet as gurus, and they actually know what they're doing. So be careful out there. Choose one and follow that one if he's really got some proven strategy. I recommend Nick Sean if you want to. I was gonna be talking about him because this guy simplified my trading view and how to trade and how to potentially be profitable. Nothing in this video is of course financial advice, as always. And I think that's it. All I have to say, ladies and gents, if I can still say ladies and gents in these days. So yeah, it's 3rd of September. So hopefully about 3rd of October, maybe 3rd of November, I'll update you again on another video where I'm gonna be finally profitable. If I can get at least one account to the target growth, then that will be amazing. And I believe that will give you the confidence to move on to the next one and on to the next one. So for the future V, I'll see you next time. And I'll see you next time in my video too. Goodbye.